Right, let's get into products. So let's have a walk around any product. Let's go, what should we look at? Let's have a look at this hat. Right, let's go this one here. There's probably a few variants, right? So let's have a look at what you get information-wise in products, right? So obviously title and then the information. Let's open this. Let's preview. Let's view. Oh, nice one. Oh my God. Products. Which one we were looking at? This one, right? And then I go view. So this is what this product looks like, right? Title, different colors, different images. In theory, you could have a different price for different ones, right? You go through, pick one you want. Here's the price. Here's the collection it lives in. Happy Me hats is the collection. Obviously, I haven't got it set up properly because these are not hats. Product type, if you fill it in, the vendor, as in who created it, SKU numbers, weight, if it matters, how much it's going to cost for shipping, quantities, if you want to put more, some share buttons, and down here is description and product reviews, right? So here we go, is title, description, here's the description. Here's all the different images for the hats that you upload. All you have to do is add an image. Let's go with this t-shirt one. And it would just upload it. It's really quick and easy to upload. Let me just turn my email off so you don't get beeped at. That's quite a big screenshot image, right? But then this is where the variants happen. You add a variant. So there's the black and teal, and you can change the price per variant. Right, SKU code and the image. So you can, from the images above, you can select which image is relevant to that color. So you see black and silver. Here's the image for black and silver. But if it's the wrong image, I can change it, right? And that, of course, means that when anybody selects here the variant, it jumps to that image, right? Jumps to the navy one. And like I say, you can change each and every price per variant if it gets bigger. So if you're thinking this is a t-shirt, and a small t-shirt might be $11.99, and by the time you get to 5 XXL, you might be a £20 t-shirt, right? You can change it. You can just change the price and save it, right? Here's the SEO information. This is things for Google. This is also what will be shared when you share it to Facebook or Twitter, something like that. And you can go in and change it if you don't want it to be the same as the page title and the description. You can edit it. If you want to change the URL, you can change it. Up on the right here, it's going to show you which stores are connected to it. So is this going to show on the Facebook page? Is it going to show on Instagram? Are you going to allow it to be a buy button as well? You can manage that here. Product type, so if it's, it's a hat, I don't think I've got anything set up. I don't think you can just type it in there. Oh, you can add hat, right? Product type, and then you can make a collection off a product type. So basically, if somebody types in hat, then you can make a collection that's all from hats, right? Which is what I should have done. Vendor, you might want to say it's more Happy Me than it is Happy Me Golf. Add it to a collection. I haven't got anything collections wise set up, but I can just quickly add. I can add tags. What was it? Hats. Let's go hat as well, right? So I can add tags, and again, I can create collections because of tags, and I can filter into anything that is tagged or collected in a collection. See that one there is auto Happy Me H. So that I'll show you the collection is anything that says Happy Me H to start with drops in an automatic collection called Happy Me H, right? So if I view this now, I've got the product type as a hat. I've got some tags here. They're not actually clickable on this. And then I've got the collections homepage and Happy Me H, right? So anything that starts with Happy Me H is in that collection, right? So really easy to add a product, title, description, images. If you've got different variants, if you've just got one size fits all, if you've just got one hat, it's really easy just to do one hat and then save. You can edit it afterwards, nothing's set in stone. But it's really easy. Once you start getting used to how the products work, it's really easy to dive in, add some, put them in collections, and manage them